What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the Y9 2K18 and the Y7 2K18. You can see both the devices are in front of me, and let me tell you a few of the specifications for both these devices. The Y9 is having 4GB of RAM and it is running on Kirin 659 processor, while the Y7 is having 3GB of RAM and it is running on Snapdragon 430 processor. So we have a same set of application on both these devices, and actually the Y7 is a cheaper device and it has lower specs than the Y9, but I just want to compare both these devices to let you guys know that how much is the difference between both these devices. So let's start the stopwatch right away and start our speed test in both these devices. I will do this speed test in two rounds. The first round will be to check out the speed of both these devices, and in the second round I will be comparing both these devices in the RAM management. So you can see right now both these devices are actually going great, and actually the Y7 is moving at a faster rate than the Y9. That is very interesting to see. So that at the end it will be told that which device wins, but right now Y7 is clearly taking the lead. It is now on the lap sit, which is to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip on both these devices. So you can see right now we are retrieving this clip, and again I think the Y7 is taking the lead. That is very interesting to see. So you can see Y7 already is moving to Amazon and Y9 is actually lagging behind. That is very interesting to see. I have never seen such crazy results before. So now we are moving on to the gaming section. We have a set of 4 games at the end, and first of them is the Temple Run 2, and let's see which device loads it at a faster rate. And here Y9 is actually the clear winner and Y7 has failed here in the gaming section. And now we are moving on the next game, which is pin out on Y9 and color switch on the Y7, and we are on the color switch on Y9 now and pin out on Y7. Now both these devices are on their final game, which is the Asphalt 8, and let's see how much time does both these devices take to open this game. And Y9 is actually going to take the lead, I think, again. So clearly Y9 is winning. So let's take a look at the time taken by Y9. You can see it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 38 seconds, while Y7 is actually moving very slow on this game. Actually this is a heavier game, and maybe because of this it is taking too much time. So let's see how much time it has taken now to complete the first round, and it has actually taken a total time of 1 minute and 55 seconds. So earlier it was moving very fast while opening the social media applications and the built-in applications. The optimization were very great. So in the gaming section it totally failed and it took a lot of time to open these games. So that's the result of first round. Clearly Y9 has won this round. Now let's move to the next round, which is the RAM management test, and see if all these applications are running in the background or not. Y9 is having 4GB of RAM while Y7 is having 3GB of RAM. It is going to be very interesting to see that which device completes this second round faster, and both are actually have kept all these applications in the background. It is very interesting for Y7 that with 3GB of RAM it is doing so great, which many other devices with 4GB even fail. And you can see Y9 is actually reloading the lap set and it is now moving to the Amazon, and Y7 is reloading that pinout. So let's see what happens next. And the pinout again reloading on Y9, and Y7 is completing the test in 2 minutes and 35 seconds, while the Y9 has completed the test in 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Wow, that's amazing. You can see in the first round Y7 was completely failing while Y9 was winning the first round by almost, you can say, 15 to 17 seconds. And in the next round it actually came back strongly, and it has only left a difference of 10 seconds. The RAM management is actually great on Y7, and Y9 was actually a bit slower on the RAM management. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both these devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.